How to connect Clickbank to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Clickbank to your PayPal. So in order to connect your PayPal to your Clickbank, so you need to fulfill certain requirements, like you must have an active Clickbank seller and have completed the one-time activation fee. You must have a Clickbank master account. The product currency for the sale must be in USD or US dollars, and you must have USD as an accept currency in your PayPal account. All products in a given offer with the expansion of free trial must have a sales price greater than or equal to at least $7. This includes all the upsell flows and order bumps. The full offer, including any subscription product and upsell flows, cannot contain an affiliate commission rates over 90%, and the offer cannot contain a traditional or upsell joint venture or affiliate referral contract. The offer cannot include product that exists in another account nickname, even if the account nickname is linked to the same primary account. Once you fulfill all these requirements written right here, you can go ahead and connect your Clickbank account to your PayPal account. And once you have connected your PayPal account to your Clickbank account, you will notice discrepancy in your paycheck amount and your expected earning. One that you receive via PayPal are not included in a Clickbank paycheck. Make sure to factor in any fund you have received via PayPal when comparing your paycheck amount to the expected earning amount. So this is basically how you can connect your Clickbank to your PayPal account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.